If you're new to acrylic painting as well as resin, I'm Cheryl and I've got the perfect project for you. Come on, let me show you. In this class, we're going to be creating this moonlit forest scene. We're going to be painting all the images with acrylic paints. We're only using 3 colors. We're using a Paynes Grey, a white to lighten it up for some of the layers, and a black to darken it up for other pieces. We are going to do 4 different layers of painting, including the base coat, and add a thin layer of resin in between each one of the coats. This is a very beginner-friendly project that's going to take the intimidation out of using both acrylic paints as well as resin. The nice thing about having a resin layer in between is it immediately adds dimension, as well as the different colors we're choosing for our different layers. This class comes with a supply list that breaks down all the supplies that you will be needing to complete our project. It's also linked to where you can find your supplies. That's going to save you some time sourcing your product so that you have more time to do your crafting. So come along with me, let's go start creating this project.